Sabi niya, I am the good shepherd. The good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep. Hindi ako rin yung Diyos na nakaupo lang at pakape-kape at tinitignan kang nahihirapan. I am always with you. I am battling your giants. I am fighting for you and with you. My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus won the battle for you from the very start. Kaya kapag kasama mo siya sa battle mo, panalo ka na ngayon hanggang sa dulo. Because God, listen to this, look me in the eye. Because God is bigger than your giants. He is bigger than your giants. He is bigger than your giants. I want you to absorb that. Laking-laki ka na sa problemang nararamdaman mo, lubog ka na sa utang, sobrang... God is bigger than your giants.